2015 marked the 20th consecutive capacity sellout crowd for this annual conference finale, a game that had produced national title postseason contenders in 9 of the last 10 seasons. And for the 8th time in its 24-year history, this pioneering contest would bring together its inaugural rivals. 18th-ranked Florida was looking to upend Heisman shoe-in tailback Derrick Henry and 4-time national champion head coach Nick Saban. As the number 2-ranked Crimson Tide, playing host again to that formidable, familiar foe, the Florida Gators. Throughout the first quarter, both offenses languished as a defensive slugfest persisted. And it was Bama's defense that put up the first score of the game, pinning down the Gators in their own end zone, notching 2 for the safety. Then later, punting the ball away, the Tuscaloosa Nation was stunned as Florida's slippery quick Antonio Callaway returned the ball 85 yards, giving the Gators an early second quarter edge at 7-2. But what everyone in the House of Crimson had been anticipating was about to break loose. Eventual 2015 Heisman winner Derrick Henry and his juggernaut blocking corps began a grinding ground attack. And finally, late in the second quarter, number 2 marched across the goal line for the Tide's first touchdown of the game. And the score at the half, 7-12, Bama. When play resumed, the Gators were still well within reach, but Bama's defense continued to frustrate any offense coming out of Gainesville. The story of the second half? No surprise. Derrick Henry, a staggering, steady, pounding, 44 carries and 189 yards, would help lead the Tide in putting together 2 more touchdown drives, one resulting in spectacular acrobatics as Jake Coker connected with Ardarius Stewart.
Stewart holds it in. Touchdown, Alabama.
Final score, Florida 15, Alabama 29. The Crimson Tide celebrated their 2nd consecutive and 6th overall SEC football championship. Game MVP and eventual Heisman winner Derrick Henry broke Herschel Walker's single-season rushing record, and the Tide rolled on, shutting out number 3 Michigan State, then toppling top-ranked Clemson to capture their 16th national title.